Hello, everybody. This is a introduction to NVDA, the screen reading software. Whether you're familiar or not familiar with this program, this video will demonstrate how the software allows users to get around on the computer and know what they are um, doing without having to see the screen and know where to move their mouse cursor. So right now I have NVDA on, and if I'd like to open a program, I can press the Windows key, opens the search bar, and I am given auditory information about what is going on right here in the search bar. I can press it again to close it. I can go to the desktop using a shortcut. I can jump to the recycling bin if I'd like to go there by pressing the R key. If I'd like to open up Zoom for a web conference, I can press Z. I've pressed Z 2 times to get to Zoom. If I'd like to open Outlook, I might press O. I might also, if I wanted to open a program, I could go to it and select Enter. And you see I have some alerts, and I can close this by pressing the Escape key. Escape again. And I can close this window by pressing Alt F4. If I'd like to navigate to the taskbar at the bottom, I can use a shortcut to jump down there. You can see my focus has now jumped down there. I can use my arrow keys to navigate between the programs that are docked down here. I can select it to open it. And in the calculator, to navigate between buttons, I can press the Tab key. I can also use the arrow keys in this program to locate what I need. Okay. I'm going to open a Word document here. I'm going to use the Windows key. I'm going to type Word, press Enter to open it. And you'll notice this whole time I have not moved my mouse cursor one time. You'll notice that there is a bracket around blank document. That tells me what my focus is on. I'm going to select it. And now I have an open document. I can type whatever I'd like. All right. I can go back and listen to my words. And if I'd like to change a word, I can use common keys like delete and replace it with what I'd like. I might be done here, so I'm going to press the F12 key. I'm going to save it right here in Documents. And I'm going to tab down to the Enter key, to the Save key. But now that I'm done and it's saved, I can close this document. Oops, Alt F4, and my document is closed. So that's a demonstration of NVDA, how opening files, navigating within them can all be done through the keyboard. I look forward to showing you more about how to use NVDA.